Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows detected a hard disk problem in Windows. Type Edit Group Policy in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand System. Click and expand Troubleshooting and Diagnostics, click Disk Diagnostic. Open Disk Diagnostic, configure execution level, change to disabled. Update group policy. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.